Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my media setting, they come they interview Odegaard, so they come they ask and say how he takes see the way Arsenal they play this season and what if their aims and objectives. They come they ask him about the top four. So Odegaard come they talk say the way things stand now. So many people don't forget say Arsenal they build something special. You get the Arsenal are the youngest team for EPL. You get for the beginning of the season, nobody expected them say them go day for those who go to fight for top four. Everybody just say okay, at least let's go back to Europe. You get now what will be their aims and objectives. But luckily enough, their performances can push them towards the path of top four, towards the path of going to Champions League. Say if you remember for the beginning of the season, they knocked them back, 3 back-to-back losses. Then they for 20th for table. Nobody give them a chance. In short, then say people gonna talk say we don't no go relegation. No, and relegation people gonna say Arsenal they fight relegation battle. Fast forward to today now, look at where we are. So Baba can talk say make people just give them time and hopefully they will achieve their aims and objectives. Will be the Champions League. So now see Baba just talk. At the same time, from media setting, they're going to interview Arsenal legend, Baby Henry. So they're going to ask him about Arsenal top 4 chances. So Baba can talk say first thing we go first take into consideration, we say that win, where Arsenal win against Wolves. So it was a very, very big statement to get because they took advantage of the falls of their rivals to get. Whereas Manchester United drop points, Spurs drop points, so they want to take advantage. And another thing we make and they talk say Spurs no go fit end up for that top 4. We say Spurs never ever take advantage of Arsenal slip up or maybe Manchester United slip up or Wolves slip up. They never really take advantage of all those kind of things you get. But Arsenal and the sweet part we say all their rivals they play, Arsenal no play. Like no say Arsenal get their match against Chelsea postponed and others come play. So now and they look Arsenal say like wetin don talk for the beginning of the season say they must end up for top 4 for this season. Say if Arsenal no end up for top 4 for this season, it will be regarded as a failure. The season will be a failure because you know they play any competition now, only EPL they play, you know go Europe, just EPL and Cup you get. So you have nothing to focus on now, only that EPL. Even now, some other people see they for other competition. Arsenal they only EPL, they play once in 7, 8, 9, 10 days. So you don't see any reason why we no go fit deliver Champions League football at the end of the season. So if we no do them, then the season was a failure. Here's opportunity Baba they talk say Arsenal season will be termed as a failure if Arsenal no get Champions League football. Maybe they'll go get Europa League football. She a failure for you. Then at the same time, Ian Wright now come outside again to come they reignite the war between Arsenal and Wolves. Don't forget say after Brentford match, now Wolves will play. So Ian Wright come they revisit that statement he never stop. Baba come they para come they say, what is wrong with you, Neves? What is wrong with you? Say a match we say the match will play with one man down against a fellow top 4 contender, a fellow European competitor contender. Who can't beat you now away from home. You can't talk say make we no celebrate. Why they talk like this now? No, why they talk plenty. This thing now they add more fuel to fire for the match, the rematch where Arsenal go play Wolves for Emirates Stadium. That day you know go fun you. Oof, I just pray we no lose again because if we lose, we go bad. All our mouth so don't make. I just be optimistic, sha. See, come that day, come rain, come sun, we'll knock them. William Gallas, will be one of Arsenal former players. Don't come outside when they do pundit duty. So back on the talk say Arsenal need to sign a striker if they won't compete. You get see they need to replace all those kind of Lacazette and Aubameyang we don't come out for the summer. Look for not just replace them for replacing sake. Look for a top quality striker. Maybe somebody like Gianluca Di Samaka or somebody like maybe Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Last those wey dey available now with the reason or somebody else no maybe Patrick Schick, somebody they very prolific now what they need to get. Some people will talk say make they add Isaac. Well, now your own opinion be that. So you talk say we need all this things, but another thing where they give them fear, where they make and they fall back and say you don't know whether it go possible say Arsenal go fit sign plenty top players now. Do we have the budget to make these things happen? Because if you need a top striker, most clubs no go one sell them, so you need to go break in buyout clause. The way all those kind Man City, Liverpool, then they do, they know they bargain. You get, they will give you the money where you want, collect that top striker, go and do what they want to do. So do we have that funds, that financial backup? Do we have it? Well, at the end of the summer we will know. At the same time, Christian Falk will be one of our super pundits. Don't come as I call the talk say Chelsea, Arsenal, and Spurs. So they're very, very interested in signing Stuttgart defender, which they call Borna Sosa. This guy is a super defender, so I don't know why they Arsenal they find him before. Don't forget, so we don't sign Trusty. We still get Saliba with the outside. We get plenty defender. We still get Rob Holding, even Magalhaes and Ben White. They won't play all these people. I don't understand. They won't play them. So I never really know what's in Arsenal the reason. Well, at the end of the summer, everything will be clearer. Without Saliba don't win Marcel Player of the month of January as the fans of Marcel vote him for in exceptional performances. So you don't give them, so that they pray say the guy said will even sign for them in the future. I don't think this one not possible because now Arsenal player those Marcel fans they love Saliba gone. They really like the way the guy they play. Well, that's the reason why we send him good. They're making him go grow, making him develop. So that when he come Arsenal, I just pray say all this form when they give them for France, he will feel replicate them for Arsenal. May no be say after he don't come from France now, the entire EPL now, come they deliver a bebo. William Gallas don't come again for one interviewing grants to bet 365. So Baba can they talk about Bukayo Saka. So you can talk say if and only if Arsenal no secure Champions League football, the Saka feel likely leave. Now what if Baba just talk now, opinion be that. So if no secure regular Champions League football, the Saka feel leave. I don't know why people still they talk about this Saka leave Champions League leave. How old be the boy? When I free this matter, I don't explain this thing before. When I free him, how old in day? She na to go play. Which club won't go play the Champions League? She they go give a regular starting shirt. Mention one top club for England. They say Saka go play first 11. She na Man U won't call a top club. Why you don't be shit back and now? So the Man City have Liverpool. Beg me leave this boy me rest. Rio Ferdinand don't come aside for him podcast. When they criticize Arsenal defenders, they criticize Gabriel Magalhaes, when they criticize Granit Xhaka, also consider their level of indiscipline no be for year. Especially their Xhaka own. But you can't talk about Magalhaes own now for that match they play against Man City. When you just display 5 minutes of madness before you don't collect red card, you don't lose the match. That was a different level of indiscipline you get. So we need to know how to control our emotions. Don't allow your emotions cloud your judgments. You get just 2 minutes, 3 minutes of madness like this will scatter match. Look at Granit Xhaka, red card, throwing people shirts. Know when to leave player. People must dribble you no matter who you are, no matter if you are the best defender or the best. Che N'Golo Kante, they know they dribble am. Casemiro wey dey Real Madrid, they know they dribble am. No matter who you are, they go dribble you. You go know when to let go, know when to put tackle. But Xhaka no dey like when they dribble am at all. Instead, he go hold you, draw you back, or he go slide you, or he go try do you something. Before you know, yellow. Before you know, red. So back on the complaint say, if Arsenal wants secure Champions League football, we need to curb our disciplinary issues, bring them to the lowest minimum you get, so that all these kinds so we play 10 man, will they happen again. At the same time, Sam Allardyce come outside from media setting when they analyze Arteta's state for Arsenal. So back on to say, you see this Arteta, this guy don't suffer very, very well for the hand of the media. See, ever since when this guy take on this Arsenal job, he don't face many challenges. Challenges from the fans, challenges from players, from the owners, the pressure. The guy faced all these challenges and he came out unscathed. So he came out, say nothing do him. He survived all the challenges. She na the Aubameyang, she na the Ozil, she na the Guendouzi. Different stories, negative publicity about the guy. You get where they don't talk for social media, talk for the main media. Many things they don't talk about. And at the end of the day, the guy don't earn in respect for the way they handle all these different situations and came out on top. Now the Arsenal players don't earn in respect. Everybody respect them. Everybody love them. The owners love them. The fans now they don't get choice. They don't love them. They don't trust the process. So at the end of the day, he's very proud of Arteta for keeping his head high up. Our Calcio Mercato will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Arsenal if we go back for Lautaro Martinez of Inter Milano. So they would like to sign the guy as a striker. Remember, say they won't sign the guy before. So, but they don't come discuss on time. For Chelsea, they go collect Romelu Lukaku. So as Chelsea collect Lukaku, so Inter can't say it no go make sense and they know if he sell their 2 top strikers on the same window. You get, and they go sell Lukaku, can't sell Martinez at the same time. So it no make sense. That was why we missed out on the guy. But now, Calcio they let us know say at the end of the summer, Arsenal will go back. Whether they will still give us the guy because Arteta like Lautaro's style of play. Well, at the end of the summer now. Leipzig don't slap £45 million on Christopher Nkunku for anybody who wants sign him. No say Manchester United and Arsenal they interested in signing the midfielder, so they don't let them know how much it will cost. Say if truly una really need the guy, say no be saying that talk is cheap, so una really need them, so now carry am out on our team. See the amount wey it go cost. Well, everything na Arsenal hand the day. Shey we go fit fork out £45 million to go sign Christopher Nkunku. Abi instead we go carry am go for Yuri Tillemans or Ruben Neves. Well, at the end of the summer we go to find out. Our Daily Mail they come outside, they let us know say Arsenal now they lead the race to sign Rafael Leo from AC Milano. So they would like to carry the guy. The guy na 22-year-old hot property. The guy na direct winger, very skillful, fast pacey, everything we want from a direct winger. The guy they very. Somebody even they tell me for comment section one day for us for our show say if this guy come out and say go bench Martinelli, so Martinelli they learn work for where the guy is because the guy they score, the guy good. No. I don't watch the guy good no. And if you check Serie A, go see AC Milan they up there. Even yesterday, the directors of AC Milan they can't give the guy a reward for AC Milan training. They can't call and say they thank him for what they do. The guy just burst into the scene. I think it was 2019 or thereabouts. They don't rake up 100 appearances already. They give him like accolades, give him one kind of reward, say thank you for what you've done for us, and we hope you do more greater things in the future. The guy said, come outside talk, say yes, so saying they pray say they go feel win something substantial this season again because they fight for the Scudetto. AC Milan, Inter Milan, Napoli, this three-way race. Three of them they fight for the Scudetto, and any of them can win them because the point difference between the three of them, you don't even reach 3 points you get, so anything can happen. That's what it just be. Well, all the watch now at the end of the season we know who will win. Our familiar setting Brendan Rodgers will be Leicester City coach. Don't come and say they talk about Yuri Tillemans again because they ask and say like how much it will cost if person won't buy this Yuri. But what say say as Yuri dey like this say it go take more than £50 million to snap up because the media man, this reporter come ask and say it go take like £50 million. But say no, it will cost more than that. So they expect that kind of £50-60 million go allow anybody price Yuri Tillemans away from Leicester City because we know say the guy will still leave anytime soon. Even Fabrizio Romano self don't come outside and solidify this argument, this debate. Because they talk to Yuri Tillemans, they 100% certain guarantee Shola Tere. Say the guy they come out for Leicester City at the end of the season. Say the best thing way Leicester go fit do now make them sell him at the end of the season. Otherwise, the guy will leave as a free agent the upper season because he has less than let's say 1 year and 1.5 years left for a contract. So Romano come to say at least this guy in valuation na that kind of £42 million. Now they go fit sell him. So if you want buy him, just buy that kind of 42.50 and they go fit sell the guy for you. So if I dear football lover, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the updates. Click am so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.